So this is an experiment of three things for ball puncture. One will use PVA glue, second will use tube sealant, and third thing we'll need is egg, a syringe and needles, and we'll use on three different balls which are punctured, and we'll assess in few days to see which one of these three is working better. So we'll insert the needle in, so empty the whole syringe in it, then we'll roll it around. Okay, let's see. Egg white, punctured ball. Move around. So next one we are going to use PVA glue. So this in the syringe. The main problem with PVA glue is that it can be very sticky. Let's see whether I can move it around. So let's review it again in 24 hours to see if it still works or not. Is the combination of PVA glue with egg and the tire puncture sealant. Let's see whether this works or not. See whether move it around. Let's pop it up. Lovely, that's good. Okay. So we'll leave them for 24 hours and see which mechanism works better. So this is about 24 hours. This one where we used tube sealant is better. We use egg, loads better. This one is a combination of egg, sealant and PVA glue, similar like the other ones, but the one with only PVA glue is not good enough. Okay, this is a failed mechanism. So far the egg sealant is excellent. It is the cheapest and most effective so far. First,